So, do you know how you're going to leverage AI for your business? Everybody is doing it, and if you are not, you're falling behind. Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and our Profit Minds growth system really helps drive value in small businesses. Whether it's top and bottom line growth, it's accelerating productivity, or building scale in your business. We use AI across the board to really accelerate what's going on in your business. And we offer an AI transformation method program, which will absolutely transform your business and how you can make money, more money. Put that in your pocket. So what do we cover? Lots of people ask. Well, we start at the very beginning. We don't assume that you know anything about AI. And even if you do, I guarantee you'll learn something even in that first session. How do you interact with AI? And then, do you need an SOP? Would you like to create an SOP for your business? Well, we'll teach you how to do that. If you need AI to be your prompt engineer, nobody likes being a prompt engineer, but AI will do it for you. What happens if you want to solve a problem and get the world's greatest minds to help you? We can teach you how to do that. Creating a course for a new topic. Maybe it's something you know something about, or maybe it's something you want to learn. Maybe you want to learn how to use some new software. AI will create the course for you. Do you need an AI guided workflow, or work that you'd like to have contracted out to a professional services agency? What would it be like to have AI as the agents all the way along? We'll teach you how to build those agents and have that work done for you. And finally, in the black belt, this is a belted system from white all the way to black. We teach you how to use AI to increase automation for all those piddly little tasks that just you have to do over and over again. So if you'd like to learn more about our revolutionary program, the AI transformation method, reach out. The link is below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.